Did you know that Australia once waged a war against birds and lost? In 1932, Australia faced an unexpected enemy, emus. Yes, you heard that right. The nation declared war on flightless birds. After World War I, Australian soldiers returned home to find their farmland overrun by thousands of emus. Desperate to protect their crops, they enlisted the military's help. Armed with machine guns, the military set out to eliminate the birds. But these emus proved to be surprisingly tactical. They moved in groups, ran zigzag patterns, and even outran the soldiers' vehicles. Despite using over 10,000 rounds of ammunition, the war ended in failure. The emus simply refused to back down. In the end, the government decided to call it quits and build fences instead. So, Australia officially lost the Great Emu War, proving that nature sometimes wins. Weird, right?